Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 29th of November. I don't know how many days November has, but that's pretty close to the end of it. I hope everybody had a good November and is ready to slide into December. Christmas is coming. In today's video, we're talking Luna Classic. Let's go! I don't know if you've been following, but Luna's been on an absolute tear over the past few weeks. Essentially, when you look at TradingView, it's been pumping since October, since the end of October or beginning of October, mid of October, 16th of October, basically. It started moving up, and this is on the weekly chart, and it's been on the up ever since then. So despite all the confusion and despite all the complaints and commotion that's been going on Twitter and what everybody's talking about, Terra has been on an uptrend. See? There you go. There is a little trend on the weekly, and it's moving up. Let's go on the daily. It's been moving up on the daily as well, with some retracements, but basically it is moving up. The crypto band chart is pretty accurate here. This is the previous day's high that remains here. That's where the high was, and then you've got all the previous week high and the day's open, which was today, the previous day's low. So this candle opened up here, dropped, and then pumped back up above the previous week's high. And I guess we can expect it to either break through the previous day high. Hopefully, if that happens, then we could probably see the price of Luna Classic move further up. What will happen? We'll see. But it's looking good so far. Let's have a quick look here. Bitcoin has released an article. Nobody ever knows. Twitter is posting. There are a lot of comments on Twitter, and people are just lost. People have no idea why it's pumping. And I mean, it's crypto, so nobody really knows why things are pumping. People on Twitter are hopeful, looking for a green. Luna Classic is very nice, but without USDT reaping and burning trillions of Luna Classic, we will not rise high. We get angry Charles ranting on about patriotism and stuff. Go Charles. In any case, the Bitcoin has released an article kind of explaining of what may possibly be driving this trend. I mean, aside from the fact that there's a lot of voting going on Terra Luna, the most recent one was rework implementation of burn tax to lower barriers. That was a proposal that was passed just recently, so that may have something to do with it. And I guess the idea, I didn't actually read the entire thing, but this burn, I guess it's meant to, it says here, this approach simplifies contract development by combining tax and gas deductions for client-side dApps. Tax computations can be excluded, relying solely on the simulation endpoints gas estimates. So there is this that's happening, and that's relevant. And that was the proposal. An important announcement here: sequence matching issue resolution. So this proposal is still ongoing, but it's already passed. It's supposed to finish in December the 3rd, but threshold has already been reached. Out of 1 trillion votes, 587 billion votes are already in. So this is already a given. And why is this important? The proposal was seeking the community's approval in order to deploy the Terra client on chain. The text proposal stated that the update would fix a critical issue in DANCOM anti-decorator related to account sequence. Following the passing of the proposal, the L1 task force now has the green light to implement this update. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what any of this means. The proposal was seeking the community's approval in order to deploy the Terra client 2.3.1 on chain, and the Terra client will allow people to deploy contracts between, and this is important, between the significance of the Luna Classic upgrade. The forthcoming Cosmosm version 1.1.0 upgrade holds immense importance for the Terra Classic network, as it aims to resolve utility by enabling projects and builders from Cosmos and Terra Luna 2.0 to once again construct on the Terra Classic chain. So this is important. Basically, this upgrade will make it possible for developers from the Cosmos and Terra Luna despite the fact that it's a secondary chain, to begin development on the Terra Classics chain. So that's what's happening. This is why we see a pump in Luna Classic, because people are expecting good things to happen. People are expecting that there's going to be more development on the chain, which is going to bring more investors, I guess, and of course more utility to the overall chain, which is why the investors will come. But there's more. So the significance of this upgrade extends beyond these improvements, as it will facilitate the launch of the AI upgrade block entropy testnet by the team. Not sure what that is, to be honest with you, but the point is there's still development. There's further development, which is very important. Furthermore, a proposal scheduled for June aims to reinstate the burn tax at a rate of 1.2%, increase staking rewards, and receive Luna Classic and USDC to a value of $1. But this is a little bit farther in advance. So the most important thing is the work that's being done on the chain. I think that's what's important. It's not a dead chain. People are still devoted to bringing it back, and people are still devoted to contribute to the ecosystem and continue to develop it, which is very important. Nothing worse than a dead chain. But so these are good things that are happening for Terra Luna Classic, and that's the reason why this coin is pumping right now. Additionally, although I don't know if this is of any significance, if that pushes the sentiment even further up, but court in Montenegro approved the extradition of Do Kwon. They're still trying to decide whether he's going to be extradited into the US or South Korea, but the man is leaving prisons in Montenegro and is going to be facing trial, I guess, in one of the two countries, either the States or South Korea. So these are the two most recent stories from the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. It's nice to see it recover, and let's hope for more. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, support Luna Classic, support this channel and this video, spread the word, and of course let's get Terra Luna Classic back on track. That's good news. We'll see you in the next one. CryptoFather out.